All right, guys, so here we go. We are going to get started on our mental math for today. So our question is to show 53 and 44 with the fewest possible base 10 blocks, and then to write them in expanded form. And then we're going to talk about how base 10 blocks in expanded form are similar and how we can compare them. So I want for you to go ahead and pause the video right now because I want for you to draw out your base 10 blocks for 53 and 44. I want you to add them up, and then I want you to go ahead and do an expanded form number model for your base 10 blocks. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Pause your video. All right, so let's go ahead and start. We have 53, which is going to be 1. There's some very large base 10 blocks. 2, 3 or 30, 40, and 50. Then we're going to go ahead and bring over our cubes, 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to do our 44. So 44 is going to be 4 longs, 4 tens. That's 20 so far, or 2 longs, 30, and 40. And then we can't forget our ones. We need 44. So we're going to bring over 4 of those guys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so now we have our base 10 blocks. We did 53 and 44. Now we're going to do expanded form. All right, so we want to do an expanded form number model for 53, and we want to do an expanded form number model for 44. All right, so let's go ahead over here. We're going to do our text box. See if it will let us add to this one. I'll make it a little bit easier. Perfect. So we're going to take 53, which we're going to break up into 50 plus 3 equals 53. And then we're going to take our 44. We're going to take our 40 plus our 4, and that's going to give us our 44. All right, so now let's talk about how is our base 10 blocks and our expanded form similar? Right? What are we noticing that is the same about them? Right? So maybe you're seeing that, okay, I have 5 longs, which equal 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and here's my 50 here. And I have my 3 ones, and I have my 3 ones here. For my 44, I have my 10, 20, 30, 40. There's my 40, and my 4 ones, my 4 ones. So the expanded form actually matches my base 10 blocks. My base 10 blocks are broken up into 10s and 1s, and my expanded form is broken up into 10s and 1s. This number right here is how many longs I have. This number here is how many cubes I have. This number here is how many longs I have. This number here is how many cubes I have. So this is going to help us today as we continue to do partial sums to help us add 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers, is breaking those numbers into pieces. So we know how to do a base 10. So if we know how to do base 10, then we know how to break them into expanded form, which is going to be our partial sums. All right, let's jump into our lesson. See you there.